Okay, we're looking here at time conversions with simple fractions. So when you think of fractions, you'll have a numerator, the line, which is known as the vinculum, and the denominator underneath. So how many pieces of shell to make out of the whole. In this case here, we're going to use fractions to help us understand what they're asking here. So on an analog clock, we have something that looks like this. Now, right now, it's pretty much saying 8 o'clock. So my minute one, if I turn to 3, that means it's travelled a quarter way around the clock. That would look like. This work. That means it has gone 15 minutes past 8, or 8:15 if you were saying it on a digital. Down here, it's gone all the way around to the 6. That's 15, so this will be 15. 15 plus 15 is 30. And if it continues around on its path, gets to the 9, that's travelled 45 minutes. There's one whole lap of this circle, 60 minutes. 60 minutes make one whole hour. And you'll notice the hour hand has moved from the 8 to the 9. So basically, over here, with fractions, every 15 minutes, it's travelled a quarter of the way around the circle. So, looking at this one, it says, calculate the number of seconds in 1.5 minutes. We know one whole lap of this circle would be 60. A half, starting from 0, would be 15, 30. So 60 plus 30 would be 90. Brilliant. Thank you. Calculate the number of seconds in 4.75. So again, this is where your times table will come in handy. You might have over the side, you might just have 1 times 60. You might just know this. 60. 2 times 60 equals 100. 3 times 60 equals 102. Correct. 4 times 60. And this is where, you know, your 6 times table that come in handy. You know, 1 times 6 is 6, so we just multiply it by 10. Basically, 2 times 60. 4 times, so we've got 4. 4 times 60 equals 240. 5 times 60 equals 300. So it's not quite 5. We know it's definitely 4, so 240 plus 3/4 is 1/4. It's 2/4. 3/4. So I have to add 45 to 240, or 45. So if I add that together, it should give me 285. 285. Brilliant. Well, thank you. One more. So you might want to have this over the side or something to help you convert. So set out your 60-minute slots or 60 seconds, whatever you want to refer it to. Express, now this is the other way around. You're going back the other way. 165 seconds in minutes as a fraction. The thing you really want to know is, yeah, I'm looking at 60. 165 is much bigger. 120, still much bigger. 180. So that must mean it's going to be 2 and something. Because we know 3 would be 180. So to express 165 seconds in minutes as a fraction, I know this will be 2 minutes because this in between 120 and 180. 165 fits in between them. And then I might come back here and I might use this. If you know this, you'll be fine. If you don't, just maybe jot that down. Use this to help you. So if it's 120, maybe if one got halfway around is 30, if I add 30 to that, 120 plus 30, that gives me 150. Still not enough. How much of a jump up to there? It's 15. So that must mean 120 plus 45. So I guess you could sort of say you're putting in 45 at a 60, but we probably want to simplify this. Simplify, which is in another video, break it down to comparison, which is very similar to that, equal, but pretty equal. What do you reckon that would be? Now, 15 can fit into both 45 and the denominator. 15 can fit into this one 3 times, and 15 can fit into this one 4 times. So, my best answer would be 2 3/4. What I'm going to do, I'm going to put this one at 45 and 60 just to see if it accepts it, or it could be this answer. 2 minutes and 3/4. Okay, so this is to help you. Mr. Blair could get this wrong. So he's purposely going to put it in 45 and 60 to see if it accepts it or if it doesn't. It says 3/4, we know that's what we need to put in. Here we go. So you can see it doesn't want that, it wants you to break it down. So 2 3/4 is the best answer. Excellent. Yeah. One more just to make sure we do this. Get rid of some of these here. Get rid of this, get rid of that. Alright, next one. It says express 345. Well, I know 6 times 6 is 36. So 6 times 60. 3, 6 times 6 equals 36. That must be 6 times 60 equals 360. That's not too far away, 345. So if I minus 15 from that, minus 15 should give me 345. Yep, that seems to work. So I know this is not going to be 6 here. It's not enough to make 6 whole minutes. So it has to be 5. 5. And 5 times 6 is 30. So 5 times 60 must be 345, which we know is 15, 30, 45. 3/4 way around. I took that away. It's 3/4. So that's what I put, 3/4. 3 for the numerator, denominator, 4. Correct. So that's all you need to know. Easy, really, isn't it? Yeah, thank you.